Hi, if you want to disable fast charging on your Samsung Galaxy device in 2026, the process is simple and only takes a few moments. This setting can be useful if you prefer slower charging to reduce heat generation during charging sessions, especially when charging overnight or while using the device for extended periods. To get started, open the settings applications on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone or tablet. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on battery. Depending on your device model and One UI version, you may need to select battery settings or charging settings from the available options. Inside the charging settings menu, you'll find an option labeled fast charging. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn the feature off. Once disabled, your phone will charge at a standard speed whenever you use a compatible wired charger. Although charging may take longer, some users appreciate the lower operating temperatures and gentler charging behavior. If you regularly use wireless charging pads, Samsung also provides a separate option called fast wireless charging in the same menu. You can switch this setting off as well to ensure your device charges more slowly when placed on a wireless charger. That's it. Fast charging is now disabled on your Samsung Galaxy. You can switch it back on anytime if your charging needs change.